So back out exploring again. We've got Jason with us here.
Hello.
His YouTube channel's All Prospector. Check it out. I'll put a link in the video. He's new YouTube. He does all gold panning around Wales here with permission of landowners, of course, and find some cool gold, cool Welsh gold.
But today we're going in the mine with Al of Lost Mines.
Yes.
This is a new one on me. Another fine mess you got me into, Rodney.
Yeah. And this is the track that goes down to the mine. And it's down there, the adits down. This is a really cool mine. There's some nice minerals in here. And on our way here, I just picked this up. Check this out. Nice bit of crystal there, quartz crystal. Really nice. Let's go exploring. We're just outside the adit now. This is the massive spoil heap here. Look at that. That's nice. I didn't bring a bag, so I can't carry it all. Some lovely quartz around here. So we'll take Jason in there. He's really excited. Never been in a mine before. Just having a quick look around here. Johan's not with us today. He's busy working. It's a lovely place. Right, let's go in the mine. Ready for this, Chase?
I'm ready. Going into the darkness. Will we return? Hope someone knows where I am.
Let's find out, eh? Let's go. It's not deep.
Sort of shiny algae or something.
Yeah, some sort of algae that, yeah. Looks like gold, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at a little stack of rocks somebody's put there. I wonder if the miner did that.
Yeah, hard to know.
Yeah. So this mine is amazing inside. It's got some cool things in here. It's a nice pack wall, isn't it?
Yeah,
So there was a tunnel in there, and there was nothing there.
So
They've just filled it up rather than carry it all the way out.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, filled it up to get rid of it. This is the only crawl you got to do, and after this it's all walking then.
Right.
It's very muddy, but it's pretty cool. It's very muddy, really sticky clay, isn't it?
Yeah.
So when you come down here, Jace, you'll see some really cool things.
You know this bit is done because there's no echo.
That's correct. Look at the finger marks in there from the miners.
Yeah.
See them here? So what they did, they made ball clays, you know. They used this mud to clog up blast holes. See more fingers, look at that. That's amazing. They've used loads of the mud clay there.
Yeah.
Impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's footprints.
Little fingers, they're young people.
They're small fingers, yeah, very small fingers. Yeah. So that's the mud they used then to pack the gunpowder hole. There's a ventilation pipe there, look. See the tracks? So we've got a lot of walking to do now. It's just a lot of long tunnels now. I'll put my spot on, look at that. We're going all the way down there. Morning, Jace. Really easy.
I've got to lose this rucksack.
Yeah. Yeah, you won't need it. Leave it there. We'll carry the crystals out if we find any. Here he comes. That's the most difficult part of this mine. So you've got nothing to worry about. And there we are. We're in the mine. It's amazing to see the tracks in situ. A hobnail boot print. Let me turn my spot off. There, so look at this, Jace. So that's a hobnail boot print from the mine, and there's his heel, his steel heel.
Wow.
And all his boot is. That's a small foot.
Yeah.
It's been in there for a long time. Look, rusty quartz. Is that what
Yeah,
you're
that's
after?
more like it.
Is that what you're after for gold?
Yeah. Gold travels with iron sometimes. Yeah.
Is it worth breaking that or?
No, I wouldn't bother with that. But
Yeah.
that's what sort of thing I'd be looking for.
Right. Yeah, that's cool to see that boot print there.
Yeah.
Just goes on.
The rock has changed, doesn't it? So
Yes, it has. It's completely different now. There's no echo either. So.
No.
What is that? That's a squashed cockroach. I thought they lived forever.
What are them woods for?
Could be an old cart part of, or I don't know. These are parts of kibbles. These are. So there'd be a steel frame around a wooden surround. They would have used these to carry the ore out. Impressive. There's animal footprints in here.
What are they then?
Could be fox.
Yeah.
I'm thinking fox.
How much for my air pipe?
There's your air pipe on the floor, look. A lot more quartz, there's a big chunk of it here. Look, oh, look at that one.
That's a nice.
Yeah.
That's a good mineralisation there, isn't it?
That's serious. But that'd be worth breaking open,
Yeah,
wouldn't
well,
it? Oh, look at that one.
yeah. A lot more quartz crystal
And
than
this.
that. Yeah, that's all
Shit, there's
crystal.
chunks of it.
That's got a lot more iron mineral in, you know.
That's what you're looking for, is it,
Yeah.
with gold?
Yeah, you got elephant quartz, which is clear quartz. There's no mineralisation in that. It's no good for nothing.
Right.
And the miners have always been, well, depending on what mineral they want, looking for the quartz with whatever mineral in.
They've shored it up with the old railway tracks, look.
Yeah.
Wonder how long that went in. Not very far, probably. Tallow candle there. I think, is it? Hang on. Yes, tallow candle.
Wow.
There's some of that mud clay around it. Got their fingerprint there. Look.
Yeah.
There's a lot of tallow candles in this mine. See where they've had them stuck to the wall?
Yeah.
Loads of it. The balls of mud they would have stuck to the wall. See, they would have had your clay there with your tallow candle fit, and that's a burn mark. So these ones would have probably been storage
Right.
to move along, you know. That's
Yeah.
a burn mark there. So we would have had it there.
As they're chipping away, they keep moving it forward.
Keep moving it forward, yeah, that's correct, yeah. More tracks.
Echoing's come back a bit now, hasn't it?
And then it goes away by here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, look. Nice chunks of crystals here.
Yeah. Bit of iron in that quartz, see? Oh.
Yeah, look at that one.
Oh! Pressure, there's a vein, look.
Oh yeah. There's the vein.
Yeah.
Got the hammer here.
So it's quite, yeah, there's not much in that though.
Look above your head. Look at the iron in that.
Yeah, there you go, that's more what you want.
Really?
Yeah, that's the shit. Pack all that out.
Wow.
I wouldn't dare.
I wouldn't dare.
Ceiling to come down on us.
I don't want to hack at it either.
No, but that's what they'd want to mine now.
That's what you, so if you were a miner, that's what you would go
Yeah.
for. If you're a gold miner. Then.
Yeah, or one in iron.
Yeah.
Be straight on that, hacking that out.
Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit more barren as it gets down.
It is, it is, yeah.
It's what you call a stringer.
Ah, right, okay.
Yeah. You know, anything down to a couple inches, you know, like you can get your main vein and then you got stringers coming off. Like little,
I'm with you, yeah. Like a map,
yeah,
like roads on a map.
yeah.
So what's your thoughts on coming in a mine?
Damp and dodgy.
Yes.
Yeah, seen some cool stuff though. It's amazing seeing all these old tracks and kibbles and evidence of the old miners on that boot print.
Yeah, that boot print there, yeah, look at that.
There's some dodgy looking areas in here, but seems safe enough.
There's an old broken bottle over there. Yeah. That's it.
Oh yeah.
So I've just picked up that nice chunk of quartz, look. A few more crystallised quartz, which I'll clean up nice. I know somebody who wants them. So we're going to go gold panning now, I think. Check out Jason's channel, All Prospector. There's a new channel, gold panning around mid Wales. It's really good. So give him some support. I'll put a link in the description. Right, let's go gold panning. We're out. What do you reckon, Jace?
Successfully made it out of the Carrigager mine alive.
Now we're going to go pan for some gold. He's going to show us how it's done. We found these crystals in there. I'm going to give them to somebody. Let's go find some gold.
Yeah, let's go look.
Check out his channel, All Prospector. I'll put a link in the description below. But please check it out and give him some support. It's a new channel. You really appreciate it. And it's a good channel. What a beautiful place. The All Prospector has taken us gold panning. We took him in a mine. Now it's his turn to take us exploring. What have you found?
Well, it's just a nice big gravel bar across the bedrock there. It's not that deep.
Right.
It's all slow water. It's dropped out. Sluice all that in there. You get gold.
You get gold in there.
Yeah.
Wow. That'd be nice. So we're off to see a couple of adits also he's found up here. Let's see what we can find, eh? We've got an adit there, look. We've got an adit here. Let's go in. We're going in.
You're going to go across the river?
Right, let's go in and have a look. Oh. It's not deep. What's in here then? Oh, that's it. That's it. They didn't find anything. Dead end. Let's go back. So, that's a shame. But now we're going to go and pan for some gold. Oh, just hit me head. What's that? There's the vein there, look. Not much of a vein, but massive quartz vein outside, crossing the river. Oops, I can see it here, look.
Is that reasonably safe to take people in then, do you think?
Yes. It's a solid mine. I thought you were going to fall in then. Going to cross the river. Look at another adit. We found the spoil heap. They found it. There it is. There it is.
It's very much overgrown though for what it used to be, the brambles.
It's hold on away.
You really like some fun to go in that one, wouldn't you?
I don't think we're going in there, guys. How about you find some gold for us?
We'll try.
Let's go and do that.
These will be at the bottom.
Right.
If there'd be any flood gold, it'd just be stuck in the clay on the top of this. And we're going to find a nice place to pan here. Gonna do one, Vlad?
No, I just watch.
So because it's clay, you've got to sit it in the water and break it all up. Wash it all. Start, wash the rocks, chuck them. Make sure there's nothing stuck to them. Rocks in there, let's move on with it. It's iron looking, it's good signs. Washing them rocks.
So we're doing some more panning here. We haven't found anything yet. There you go.
No gold today.
Oh, at least we know how to do it, and thanks for showing us.
Yep. That's how we do it. Just got to be in the right place.
Yes.
Try again.
So we finished. That's it. We're on heading home.
Home time.
Yes. It was great fun adventure, seeing some mines. Jason showed us how to pan for gold.
Didn't find any though.
No, but please do check his channel out, Ore Prospector. It's a great channel. It's a new channel. I'll put a link in the video. Give him some support. It's hard on YouTube to get some subscribers. It took me a long time. So please give him some support, and hope you like the video, and all the best to you.